Hello students. Next problem from exact differential equation. So let us see our problem. 3x square plus 6xy dx plus 3x square plus 3y square dy is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation. That means we have to find the general solution for this differential equation. So first of all, we have to compare the given equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Okay, write the values of m and n like this. M is equal to 3x square plus 6xy comma n is equal to, so this is m dx plus n dy, so n is equal to 3x square plus 3y square. Okay, now we have to check whether this differential equation is exact or not. For that purpose, we have to find the values of dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y, that means we have to differentiate m with respect to y partially. Okay, we know that dou y means it is partial derivative, so we have to differentiate m with respect to y partially. Okay, so with respect to y, 3x square is completely constant because it is partial derivative. So with respect to y, 3x square is completely constant. There is no y term here, so that it is completely constant. Therefore, derivative of constant is 0. Okay. Next, here 6xy is the second term. So with respect to y, we have to differentiate here partially. So 6x can be treated as constant. Okay, treat 6x as constant, and then we have to differentiate y with respect to y. So derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Okay, so totally dou m by dou y is equal to 6x. Okay, and here dou n by dou x, dou n by dou x, that means we have to differentiate the function n with respect to x partially. Okay, so in partial derivative with respect to x means y function is constant. Okay, we have to remember that. So the first term is 3x square. It is entirely x function, completely x function. There is no y here. And 3 is, we know that it is constant, so write aside. Okay, and derivative of x square means so 2x, we know that, plus here 3y square is the second term, and with respect to x in partial derivative it is completely constant term. 3y square is completely constant, there is no x term here. Okay, so its derivative is 0. Therefore finally here also we get 6x. Okay, so dou m by dou y is equal to 6x, and dou n by dou x is also 6x. Okay, therefore dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given differential equation is exact. Okay, the given differential equation is exact differential equation. Now we have to find the general solution for this equation. Let us see. Okay, now general solution is GS. GS stands for general solution. The formula for general solution for exact differential equation is like this: integral m dx, here y is constant, y is treated as constant. Okay, plus integral terms independent of x, terms independent of x in n dy is equal to c. So this is the formula to find the general solution for an exact differential equation. So let us substitute the values. So integral m means this is the value of m, 3x square plus 6xy whole dx. Here y can be treated as constant. Y is constant plus integral terms independent of x, that means terms without x, okay, in n means this is the function 3x square plus 3y square. So we take the terms without x, okay, that means the first term is 3x square, so it is dependent of x, so we cannot take this term, okay, we take the term only independent of x, that means without x. That's why here 3y square, this term cannot contain the letter x, so it is independent of x, so we take this term only 3y square, and we have to integrate this function with respect to y, that is equal to c, okay, and here we have to integrate this function with respect to x, and we remember that y is constant here. So the first term is 3x square, take 3 outside, integral x square dx, that means x cube by 3, integral x power n dx formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and here treat 6y as constant. Treat 6y as constant, we have to integrate x only. So integral x dx means x square by 2 plus, here take 3 outside, integral y square dy means y cube by 3, that is equal to constant, integration constant. So cancel 3, here 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, here cancel 3. So finally the general solution is therefore x cube plus 3x square y, 3x square y plus y cube is equal to c. So this is the general solution of this problem. Thank you.